So, with that in mind, let us turn to a meditation together. Let us turn to some time together in the silence. Let's open our hearts and minds to spiritual understanding. So take this time to turn within. Allow your eyes to gently close. And just begin with bringing your awareness to your breath. Allow each breath consciously bring you to your awareness. You can even use the words, through my breathing, I am aware. And allow yourself to be right here, right now. And just bring your attention to your forehead, to the center of your forehead, the area we call the front forebrain. And if you want, you can touch it. You can awaken it with just a gentle touch, as if you're tapping that place. This is where our understanding resides, the power of understanding. And with each breath, imagine light gathering in the center. A soft, gentle, golden glow of light. And with each breath, keep bringing your focus and your attention to this place of understanding. Notice this golden glow expanding with calm and clarity. A sense of ease and grace flowing through you, in you, around you, flowing as you. And with your next few breaths, I invite you to silently affirm to yourself, I awaken the power of understanding within me. I awaken the power of understanding within me. And as you exhale, allow that truth to settle in. And allow that gentle glow of light to illuminate any confusion, to dissolve any resistance. And you can bring a gentle smile to your face. And we'll sit in this knowing for a few short moments in the silence together. And with your next gentle inhale, breathing in divine wisdom. And with your exhale, releasing any struggle, any need to figure it all out. Allowing openness to be present. And gently affirming again, I am guided by divine understanding. I know what I need to know.